In this video, I am going to teach you the provisions of rape and its new law, which is the Republic Act 11648. Hi, I'm Afries at gumagawa po ako ng mga videos na nagbibigay kaalaman na maaaring makatulong po sa inyo. Meron po tayong dalawang klase or two forms of rape dito sa Pilipinas. Una ay yung tinatawag natin na rape through sexual intercourse na matatagpuan sa Article 266-8 of the Revised Penal Code, which is amended by the RA 8353, otherwise known as the Anti-Rape Law of 1997, which is further amended by the Republic Act 11648. Dito, sa rape through sexual intercourse, ang offender ay lalaki lamang at ang victim ay babae lamang po. Rape is committed by a man having a carnal knowledge of a woman. Ang ibig sabihin po ng carnal knowledge ay coitus or sexual intercourse. It is the insertion of the private organ of a male into the private organ of a female. At nakukomit po ito in 4 ways. The first way is through force, threat, or intimidation. Tinakot, pinilit at ginamit ng offender ang kanyang sariling lakas upang makaseks yung biktima. Pangalawa, when the offended party is deprived of reason or otherwise unconscious, ang pagkakaroon ng sexual intercourse sa babae na wala sa tamang pag-isip at walang malay ay considered rape po. Pangatlo po, by means of fraudulent machination or grave abuse of authority. Halimbawa po nito ay nagpanggap yung offender na kasintahan or asawa ng biktima kaya nagkaroon po ng sexual intercourse between the two. Pang-apat po, ito na po ang inamend ng RA 11648 when the offended party is under 16 years of age or demented even though none of the circumstances mentioned earlier be present. Ito po ang tinatawag natin na statutory rape. Dati, ang edad para sa statutory rape ay under 12 years old. Pero ngayon, itinaas na sa under 16 years of age. Ibig sabihin, liable pa rin ang offender dahil ang ginawa niya ay labag sa batas at mas lalo na nalabag sa Panginoon dahil ang ginawa niya belongs to sexual immorality. Dito sa RA 11648, meron po tayong exemption dito. Wala pong criminal liability kapag ang age difference ng offender sa victim ay not more than 3 years and the sexual act must be consensual or ibig sabihin may consent or may agreement yung offender at victim na magkaroon sila ng sexual intercourse and this sexual act must be non-abusive and non-exploitative. Pero ito po ay hindi mag-a-apply kapag ang edad ng victim ay nasa under 30 years of age. Now, punta naman tayo sa second form of rape. This is called rape through sexual assault. In this form of rape, ang offender po dito ay pwedeng lalaki o babae at ang victim ay pwede rin pong babae o lalaki. Paano ba ito nangyayari? The rape through a sexual assault is committed by any person by inserting his penis into another person's mouth or anal orifice. This is committed also by inserting any object or instrument into the genital or anal orifice of another person. In terms of penalty, meron po tayong tinatawag na qualified rape when the commission of rape is attended by the qualifying or aggravating circumstances at ang penalty nito ay death. Pero ang penalty of death is suspended by the RA 9346. Halimbawa po nito, sabi ng Supreme Court, there is qualified rape when the victim is below 18 years of age and the offender is an ascendant, step-parent, guardian, relative by consanguinity or affinity within the third civil degree or the common law spouse of the parent of the victim. And take note, kapag ang offender po dito sa rape ay kamag-anak ng biktima, halimbawa tatay ng biktima, Ang tawag po natin dyan ay incestuous rape po. Tanong, paano naman po ang mag-asawa? Pwede bang pilitin ni husband yung kanyang wife na makipag-sex sa kanya anytime? Ang sagot po natin dyan ay no. Ang tawag natin dyan ay marital rape. At in that case, liable po ang husband under the law. Take note that marital rape happens only inside the marriage or kapag kasal ang mag-asawa. A man who penetrates his wife without her consent or against her will commits a sexual violence. Sabi nga ng court, husbands are once again reminded that marriage is not a license to forcibly rape their wives. A husband does not own his wife's body by reason of marriage. By marrying, she does not divest herself of a human right to an exclusive autonomy over her own body, and thus, she can lawfully opt to give or withhold her consent to marital coitus. Sabi ng court, kung ayaw ng asawang babae ang makipag-engage sa sexual intercourse, the husband cannot resort to a felonious force or coercion to make her yield. Hindi niya pwedeng pilitin ang kanyang wife. Ngayon, kung patuloy na ayaw ng babae, the husband can seek successor before the family court that can determine whether the refusal constitute a psychological incapacity justifying an annulment of marriage. Pero, kung minamahal ka ng asawa mo at ihiniwalay mo yan, yan din ay kasalanan sa Panginoon dahil sinabi niya sa Mark 10 verse 9, therefore, what God has joined together, let no one separate. Ayan po, thank you po for watching. And if you have learned something on this video, just hit the like and subscribe button para ma-update po kayo sa mga susunod kong i-upload na videos po. So kita-kits po on my next video po and God bless you.